Let's start numerical based on alkalinity of water sample. In previous video, as I already uploaded the theory of alkalinity of water, then demonstration on alkalinity of water. Let's see two cases related with alkalinity present in water. So what are the two cases? Case 1, if our water sample is not alkaline to phenolphthalein, what type of solution is there? And second case is when water is alkaline to both phenolphthalein as well as methyl orange indicator. At that time, how to solve the numerical? That we are going to discuss one by one. So right now in today's lecture, today's video, I am going to explain first case when water is not alkaline to phenolphthalein indicator. So before going to the numerical, this is the table which showing relation between phenolphthalein and methyl orange alkalinity. If you know the type, that is phenolphthalein and methyl orange type, you can find in our water which carbonate, bicarbonate and hydroxide amount. What is the amount of these hydroxide, carbonate, bicarbonate present in the water sample? They can be calculated by knowing such a type of thing. So let's see first. Our first numerical is water sample is not alkaline. Here is the word not. So case number 1. Alkaline to phenolphthalein alkalinity, whereas 25 ml of water sample. Now see what is given? Given. Volume of water is given 25 ml and water not alkaline to phenolphthalein indicator. Therefore, the V1 which is for durability is 0. Second, volume of water is given 25 ml. On titration require 4.5 ml and by 50 HCl for methyl orange N1. So this is the value for durability for methyl orange alkalinity, and the normality of acid is given, and by 50 substitute that N with 1, you get 0.02 normal. So बच्चों ये चीज ध्यान में रखो, अगर आपके न्यूमेरिकल में N by 50 आपको अगर दिया है तो रिप्लेस दैट 1 with 1 डिवाइड बाय 50, आपको आंसर मिलेगा 0.02 नॉर्मल. और कई बार आपको ऑलरेडी 0.02 नॉर्मल इतनी स्ट्रेंथ आपके एसिड की दी जाए. ओके, सो दिस इज द गिवन थिंग. यू हैव टू फाइंड amount and type of alkalinity. This is given thing for you. Now see the solution. What is the solution? First case, we have to find phenolphthalein alkalinity. Phenolphthalein alkalinity, which is having the formula V1 into normality of acid into 50 into 1000 divided by volume of water. So this is the formula to find the alkalinity. Substitute the value as we are not adding or durability is not given. Water sample is not alkaline in phenolphthalein, therefore put the V1 as 0 into 0.02 into 50 into 1000 divided by volume of water, which is given as 25 ml. So this reading is a 0. Okay. Second, we have to find the second. Methyl orange alkalinity. Methyl orange alkalinity हमें ढूंढनी है. So methyl orange alkalinity is equal to the formula again same. Only replace V1 with V2. Normality of acid into 50 into 1000 divided by volume of water. Now V2 is given as a 4.5 into 0.02 into 50 into 1000 divided by 25. So after doing the calculation, your answer is, let me check by using the calculator. The answer is 180 ppm. 180 ppm. So this is our methyl orange. So as we find the type phenolphthalein alkalinity, shortly represented as PA, methyl orange alkalinity MOA, by using this formula. Now we have to find the amount. अभी हमें amount निकालना है. कैसे निकालना amount? Let's see. I can write here amount. So how to find the amount? For that we know the relation. क्या relation है? P की value 0 है, M की value हमारी आई है 180 ppm. Right now check the relation. Whether P is equal to 0? No. It means this case is not valid. Case number 1. Case 2, P is equal to M. As P0, M 180. It means this case is also not valid. Let's see. P is equal to 0, M is equal to 180. It means P is not one of. Sorry. As first case is valid because P is equal to 0 given. Okay. At that time, all the 4 cases is these cases are not valid because first case is valid for the given number. How? Now, if P is equal to 0, OH minus and CO3 minus abstain as per the table relation, whereas our water containing bicarbonate, which is equal to methyl orange alkalinity, which is equal to 180 ppm. This is the answer. So through this, by this way, we can find the amount and the type of alkalinity. So when the numerical is based on such a type of case, your solution remains same. What is given? Not alkaline, मतलब P की value आपकी 0 आएगी. As given, we are not adding any type of direct solution because your solution after addition of phenolphthalein in water, solution is colorless. That's why the value of P for the given numerical is 0. And the second reading for the methyl orange alkalinity is given and it is 180 ppm. And find the relation between P and M. P is equal to 0. It means we are having such cases in that hydroxide carbonate absent, bicarbonate is present. And what is their amount? Their amount is whatever the methyl orange alkalinity is there, say M for methyl orange alkalinity. Now in our numerical methyl orange alkalinity is 180 ppm. That's why bicarbonate also having the amount 180 ppm. So like this we have to solve the numerical for case number